This is a 7x14 PJ trailer, high side dump trailer, 14,000 pound G.V.W.R, 2 5/16 inch adjustable Bulldog coupler, tandem Dexter Easy Lube brake axles, has a 6-leaf slipper spring suspension, 16-inch white spoke wheels, 16-inch radial tires, a front locking toolbox, has Treadplate fenders, two-way gate on the back, a spare tire mount. This also has a roll-up tarp. It's got slide-in channel ramps, 4 welded-on D-rings inside. This has 10-gauge steel sides as well as interior. It has stake pockets for extensions. Has a sealed wire harness with 7-way RV plug. All DOT-approved LED lighting. It's been sandblasted, acid washed, and powder coated. Has the Interstate deep cycle battery, and the Dexter axles have a 5-year warranty. Give us a call, 863-66-RIGHT, or visit us anytime at righttrailers.com.